Hello. So basically, Anthropic kind of nuked OpenClaw with their own feature. They call it Dispatch. Okay, so it's inside of Claude Code, and basically, what you can do now is deploy Claude Co-Work using Dispatch. So basically, you can access Claude Co-Work from your phone now. So you can actually do things on your computer from your phone. It's kind of like the Claude, the remote thing that they released a few days ago, but it's a lot better and it's working with Claude Co-Work. So in today's video, I'm just going to teach you how to use that thing in your own workflow because I'm already implementing it into my own workflow. I already have some automations that I do, like with custom code using Claude Code, which are modifications of that. However, whenever Anthropic drops something new like Claude Co-Work, when I got Claude Co-Work, I started integrating Claude Work some more. And then now, since it now has Dispatch, I'm starting to integrate more towards Claude Dispatch for some of my certain systems. Because for certain things, I just like the simplicity. I don't have to connect a lot of things to get certain things done. With the traditional way I'm doing it, with the other things, it's like a lot of connectors from a lot of different places all built in together, as opposed to like Claude Cowork. It's just like built into the software. It's easy to set up, and I think I would be having an easier time teaching other people to set it up. Okay, so that's enough of the yapping. Let's get right into it. Okay, it's just really quick and easy to set up on your PC. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're just gonna go to the for the Claude desktop app. For the Claude desktop app, you can just go to Claude.ai to download it. Okay, so just go to Claude.ai and then you're gonna click on that thing. Okay, you're gonna click on the download icon, and then it's gonna pop up some options to download for Windows. Then it's gonna click on download for Windows, okay? Then it's just gonna download that thing. I already got it downloaded, so I don't really need to download it again. But in your case, you'll be downloading it again. Then you're just gonna follow the installer and install everything basically. Once you're inside of Claude Co-Work, there's gonna be this new thing that pops up there. It's gonna be written Claude Dispatch. Okay, so you're just gonna click on Dispatch. Okay, so basically it will pop up a thing for you to sign up if you haven't already set it up. And basically, you're just gonna give it access to the first few things that are already there. Then you're gonna choose click and keep awake. It's gonna stop your computer from sleeping, whatever this thing is running. Here, right? In the dispatch section, okay? Now you need to also install Claude on your mobile device, okay? For the purposes of these demonstrations, I'm gonna be using my iPad. Okay, so basically we're gonna pop into the App Store, okay? Then we're gonna search for the Claude app, okay? There's gonna be Claude AI. Okay, so you just look up the Claude app, you install the Claude app. What you're gonna do is you're going to open up the Claude app. Okay, so after opening up the Claude app, you're also gonna go to Dispatch inside of Claude. And so when you open Dispatch on the mobile app, that's where it's also gonna connect the two. So you just click that thing to pair the two devices. Okay. Okay, so once it's logged into Claude, okay, basically it's gonna show the dispatch option there up there, the top left. So just gonna click on dispatch. Okay, so then it's gonna pop up this whole co-work thing. So it seems this already paired my iPad automatically for me. But as you can see, whenever I type something in on my iPad or on my phone, that's what it's gonna look like. Whenever you type something in like that, it's gonna automatically pop up over there. It'll also pop up over there on the PC. Okay, so I just clicked on, I just said hi, cheat over here. So it's gonna spawn up an instance of Claude Co-Work on my computer immediately for it to start doing some tasks. Let me create a new one here. Delete this conversation. Yes. So you just click on dispatch. Once it loads up, okay, it's gonna say hi. You can just message your bot, and it's gonna instantly pop up a thing on Claude Co-Work on the desktop. So that message popping up there is the same message as the one popping up there. Okay, and so it's spinning up almost like a desktop environment. Okay, like a sandbox for Claude Co-Work on your computer. As you can see, it responded there, it responded here instantly. I can give it some tasks. I can ask you to do some outreach for me, depending on the skills that you have. Then if you wanted to have like access to certain skills that are already installed on your computer, basically the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna open up wherever the skills are stored. So the skills are stored on my desktop, certain AI skills, okay? So basically I'm gonna select the skills folder, six skills folder. Basically, once I'm in the skills folder, I'm just gonna copy the path of the skills folder, okay? Then I'm gonna come back to Claude, and then I'm gonna say, that is the directory with all of my skills. Please install them. Normally, I would just do this with voice typing, but my microphone is extremely far away from me right now. So basically, I'm gonna type for this video. You still got it. You still type. So basically, after pushing that through, it's gonna start installing a bunch of skills, increasing the functionality of Claude Co-Work based on what I have already installed for Claude Code. So that is it for this video. That's basically how you use Dispatch. And for the rest, you just gotta explore, mate. That's how you're gonna get better using this shit. Just fucking explore Dispatch and figure out how you can use it to make more money. Ciao.